party pot.
I think this is how we do it. We'll find out in a bit, won't we? Yeah. We'll find out tomorrow. We're going to pick the canoe up. If we still have a canoe when we come back, then we've done it right, yeah? If we don't have a canoe on the top of the car, then we've done it wrong, basically. It's a bit of a long process, this twisting bit.
What is that?
This is a big Allen key.
What are the instructions?
Instructions are on top of the car where I can see them, so I'm not going to lose them. I'm not going to give them to you.
See out the body part.
See, this is the nordrive roof bars, and they are for fixed rails. You can put the fixed rails on top of your car like this. We have one done already. It's a very simple process, but you can't tighten them up until you've got your set of instructions, and they're fairly straightforward, but you do need a woman to help you understand them, because as you know, us men, we don't understand instructions, When you undo it far enough, then you can fit it onto the rails. Make sure it sits right. Don't tighten it up yet though, because you can't tighten it up until you've actually put all the bar on, which was my mistake to start with. So I have to undo this one because I've already tightened it up. You put the key in there, undo it, and then you can get to the Allen key. Now I need to undo it again. As you can see on the other one, you don't pull it flush to the roof, otherwise you're going to dent your car obviously, and you don't want to do that. Now we'll get the other bar out. As you can see on the bottom, they've got the numbers, so you know how to get the right measurement to either side, so you know how to get it level either side.